Have you ever felt like you're just going through the motions, with your mind scattered in 1,000 directions? The constant noise, overwhelm, and confusion, and how it feels to be disconnected from yourself sometimes? That's where meditation comes in. What if you could transform your life by tapping into a deeper sense of awareness and build a strong connection with your thoughts, feelings, and the universe, without the need for traditional sitting postures or chanting strange mantras? Whether you're new to meditation or have tried it before, this video will show you why meditation isn't just a relaxation technique, but the ultimate self-help tool that everyone needs in their life. And watch till the end, as we'll be sharing the no manipulation technique, a simple yet incredibly powerful meditation that has the potential to transform your life. Let's first understand what exactly is meditation and how it can change your life. Meditation isn't just another habit to add to your routine. It's the single most important practice for self-improvement. Why? Because it directly impacts the foundation of everything in your life, your mind. When we think about the mind, we often assume meditation is about controlling our thoughts. But that's far from the truth. In fact, thoughts can never be controlled. They naturally arise and flow in and out of our minds. The problem comes when we attach ourselves to these thoughts and let them take us for a ride. Meditation is what creates the distance between our thoughts and our awareness, allowing us to observe them without getting swept away. But before we proceed, do you know the difference between thinking and awareness? Thinking is something we all do constantly. In fact, we have thousands of thoughts every hour. But what about awareness? If you're trying to define awareness right now, you're likely engaging your thinking mind again. See the paradox? Let's do a quick experiment. As you're watching this video, simply become observant of the fact that you're either sitting or standing, holding something in your hand, and listening to sounds coming from a device while your eyes are engaged on a screen. What you just experienced was awareness. And meditation is what creates a clear distinction between thinking and awareness. This is where the true power of meditation lies. It helps you realize that you are not your thoughts, feelings, or senses. Rather, you are the observer of them. That in truth, you are the observer of your own life. Now that we've talked about what meditation is, let's quickly explore how it can transform our lives before we dive into the no manipulation technique. For ages, meditation has been proven to be one of the most powerful abilities that can significantly transform our lives. Even science has proven that meditation leads to structural changes in the brain, particularly in areas responsible for focus, memory, and emotional regulation. Over time, this translates into improved concentration, better memory retention, and a boost in creativity. On an emotional level, meditation is very introspective. It fosters a deeper awareness of your thoughts, feelings, and behaviors, helping you uncover patterns that might have gone unnoticed. Meditation helps you to break free and make more conscious choices for personal growth and self-improvement. Beyond this, meditation opens the door to deeper self-awareness and spiritual growth. It acts as a gateway to connect with higher energies, allowing you to align with your higher self and access a state of expanded consciousness. Ultimately, the journey of meditation always leads to self-realization, understanding that you are not your thoughts, emotions, or external circumstances, but the awareness behind them. This inner realization brings a deep sense of inner understanding that cannot be found anywhere else. That's why starting this habit is essential, but it's just as important to learn techniques that will help you meditate effectively, so you can fully harness its benefits as you evolve into your higher self. No manipulation meditation technique. This technique is the practice of simply being present without trying to control or change anything. The essence of this practice is non-manipulation, meaning you don't attempt to control your thoughts, emotions, or body. Just sit or lay down and allow yourself to be in the present moment. not in a memory from a second ago or a plan from an hour later, but in the now. The key is to approach everything with pure awareness, free from judgment or intervention. If your mind has positive thoughts, let them be. If negative thoughts arise, let them be as well. The same goes for physical sensations. If your body itches or feels discomfort, simply be with it in awareness without trying to change or resist anything. And you'd be surprised to know that you don't need to be in a silent or secluded place to practice this meditation. You can do it anywhere and however you want, as long as you don't try to manipulate anything happening within you or around you. The only thing you have to remember is to be aware of any sensations, emotions, thoughts, and acknowledging their existence, then letting them pass. Your mind might wander, but when it does, gently guide it back without falling into the trap of thinking your meditation failed. While this technique sounds simple, once you begin, you'll realize how it's often the simplest practices that are the hardest to stick with. So here are some tips to help you stick to this technique and progress it as time passes. Start by dedicating 20 minutes a day to this meditation practice. If that feels too challenging initially, it's perfectly fine to begin with 10 minutes. But make sure to sit through the entire session in one go without breaking it up. Consistency is key, so this has to be done every single day, no exceptions. This isn't a short-term challenge or something you do for a month or two. It's a long-term practice that should be as habitual as brushing your teeth. Even on days when you're feeling sick, stressed, or overwhelmed, it's crucial to continue the meditation. In fact, those are the times when this practice becomes even more valuable, helping you become more aware of the discomfort or tension instead of resisting it. As you become comfortable with the daily routine, gradually increase your meditation time. Aim to reach 60 minutes per session in 365 days. This progression should happen naturally as your capacity for awareness deepens. After a year of consistent practice, you'll look back and notice a profound shift in yourself, one that permeates every aspect of your life. Now, let's discuss some of the common pitfalls you might encounter and how there is just one simple thing to overcome them all. When you're a beginner to meditation, you're going to feel like you're really bad at it, and that's perfectly fine. In fact, that's exactly how it's supposed to be. It's like working out. We always start out experiencing muscle soreness and bad exercise postures. You might initially feel relaxed and calm, but soon you'll realize that meditation can actually feel frustrating. The constant inner dialogue, the surfacing of unresolved emotions, and the chaos of your thoughts will seem overwhelming at first. But here's the key. Stick with it. Meditation isn't about feeling peaceful all the time. It's about facing what's happening inside you, no matter how uncomfortable it may be. Some days will feel incredibly tough. These are the days where your mind is racing or your emotions feel overwhelming. But know this. Those difficult days are when you're growing the most. While it's great to enjoy the moments when meditation feels relaxing, your true progress happens during the challenging sessions. The discomfort is a sign that you're working through deeper layers of your mind. Ultimately, the only way to fail at meditation is by not doing it. Everything else, every thought, every emotion, every frustration is part of the progress. Keep showing up, and over time, you'll see the transformation unfold. Meditation is like finding a rock on the ground. At first, it seems ordinary, but as you start practicing, you realize it's a gold ore. With continued practice, you polish that ore into something truly magnificent. And in this example, the rock is you. This is why meditation is the ultimate self-help practice that can truly be the transforming tool for your life. So, subscribe to Habitual Harmony and watch our guided meditation that will help you connect with your inner self and understand your deep-rooted purpose in life. Always remember, we are here to help you take actions in manifesting an abundant life.